Hello guys, so today we're going to discuss about exponentials. Exponentials are often used in calculating growth and decay. So in this problem, we are going to try to solve it, and there are three parts, so we're going to solve it one by one. As you can see, this is the first part. And in the problem, we can see that there's E. It's the Euler number, and it is derived from compound interest and often used in exponentials. So we don't need to discuss this number in detail. We only need to know its value, which is 2.718 approximately. So now let's try to solve the problem. So in part 1, we are asked to state the initial mass of the fungus. When we hear the word initial, it means it's in the very beginning of the growth. So time is equals to 0. And all we need to do is to substitute the time into the equation. Then we get m equals to 100 to the power of times e over to the power of 0 over 2. Anything to the power of 0 equals to 1. So it is equal to m equals to 100 times 1, and it is obviously 100 grams, and that's the answer. And for the second part, it is asked what will be the mass after 7 seconds, and we must only include 3 significant figures. So like the previous question, we only need to substitute the time. Now the time is 7 seconds. So m is equals to 100 times e to the power of 7 over 2. And as I discussed before, e equals to approximately 2.718. And here that means it's 100 times 2.718 to the power of 7 over 2. And using a calculator, we will get the result that the equation is equals to 3,310.34, and we only need to include 3 significant figures, so it's 3,310 grams. And now for the last part, it is stated that time becomes very large. And what will happen to the mass of the fungus when it is very large? So if it is not stated that what the time is, and time is unlimited, so we can consider that time equals to infinity. And anything times divided, or anything related to infinity will become infinity. So substituting it to the equation, it means m equals to 100 times e to the power of infinity divided by 2, which means it is equal to 100 times infinity. So the answer is infinity.